Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you this beautiful and very pretty, very good looking knitting stitch pattern. So this pattern you can use in ladies sweater, gents sweater, baby sweater, ladies cardigan, for jumper, for hats, for snots, for summer tops. So this is very easy and good looking pattern. See how beautiful looks of this pattern. This is our front side view of the pattern, and this is our back side view of the pattern. So this pattern is very easy to knit, and this is only 6 rows repeat pattern. So in order to make this pattern, you will need to cast on multiples of 2, or you will cast on multiples of any even numbers. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. Friends, I cast on 16 stitches on my knitting needles for a sample, and you cast on as many stitches as you want. So let's begin. So this is our row 1 right side, and for row 1 right side we slip edge stitch and we knit all stitches. So friends, I have completed row 1, and now we will knit row 2, and row 2 we purl all stitches. So we slip edge stitch and we purl all stitches. So friends, row 2 is completed. Now we will knit row 3, and row 3 we knit all stitches. So row 3 is complete. So row 3 is completed. Now we will knit row 4 on the wrong side, and row 4 we purl all stitches. So friends, row 4 is complete. Now we will knit row 5 and we are going to make the pattern. So we row 5 we pour all stitches. So we slip edge stitch and we pour all stitches. And we knit edge stitch. So friends, row 5 is complete. Now we knit row 6 and row 6 we slip edge stitch, and now we insert the needle between these two loops and we draw a loop. We draw a loop and we knit two together. We knit two together. Now again we insert the needle in between two loops and we take out the yarn and we knit two together. So that's the repeat. We repeat this to the end of the row. So we repeat this to the end of the row. We draw a loop and we knit two together through back loop. We draw a loop and we knit two together through back loop. We draw a loop. We knit two together through back loop. We draw a loop. We knit two together through back loop. We draw a loop and we knit two together through back loop. And we pour edge stitch. So friends, row 6 is complete and our pattern is also complete. So as you can see, this is how beautiful looks of this pattern. So friends, this is wonderful pattern. This is very pretty pattern and this pattern is called purl stitch pattern. It looks like many purl has been kept. So friends, I hope you will like the pattern and I hope you will use this pattern for your favorite knitting items. If you like the pattern, please like, subscribe and support and comment. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all the best in knitting and have a good day.